Let us know about your experience with Urmet after your install. We're always looking to improve, so after your install, your relationship manager will check in to see how everything went. You'll have the opportunity to give us feedback, both positive and negative, on your installation experience. You can also send through any images or videos of your installation, which your relationship manager can add to your company's directory profile to help build out your listing, showcasing your work to the contractors, developers, and management companies who will use our installer directory daily. If you're particularly proud of a specific project, let your relationship manager know, and we can collaborate on a case study to feature your project on our website and on your company's directory profile. We're always looking to improve, and as an Urmet installer, your feedback is incredibly valuable to us, as it helps us understand what we do well and where we can improve in the future.